Hi, we are at Gateway Court, Neutral Bay. It's middle of April right now, and Otis is coming in sometime during July to install our new lift going in over there. What Otis needs right now is 2 car parking spaces in our basement garage, so it can help them with getting their new lift in. They want access to this car parking space, and they want access to this car parking space. Now, I am proposing, this is Porsche's parking spot. I'm proposing, in both Porsche's parking spot, this one and this one are both Porsche's. I am proposing that Porsche park one of the cars in our spot over here in the corner, maybe the smaller car, and that allows Otis access to that spot. And I'm also proposing that Jan's tenant parks in Andy's spot in the corner whilst the shop is vacant. So that's lot 9. So we'll check with Andy if he's okay with that. They will need access to it for at least 3 months, probably 4 months. So we'll check with Andy. Thanks.